Voters will get a say on a new Jackson County jail. Thanks for staying with us. I'm Brian Morton. Today, county commissioners held the last public hearing before deciding on whether or not that measure would be on the May ballot. Newswatch 12's ALICIA RUBIN was at that public hearing. She's now live with what was said during that public testimony.
Brian, I talked to people on both sides of the issue today. Some people say that the jail is not the right solution, while others say that it's a long overdue solution.
I don't see that this jail will solve any of those underlying problems. I think it'll just make more people end up in jail and more children end up without stable families.
Well, not only is it important for the criminal justice system, including the courts, the record staff that have to process all these releases, the failures to appear, everything in the system is inefficient because of the restricted bed space.
This was not the first public hearing open for testimony, but it was the last one regarding the proposal for a new jail in Jackson County. And mental health services was a big part of the discussion.
We do not need to put all that money towards a jail when we could purpose that money for more beneficial things like mental health, housing, climate control, so many other things.
So not everybody that commits a crime is mentally ill, and a very small percentage of mentally ill people are committing crimes. So, you know, while we don't argue against bolstering those services, I'm certainly a proponent of that, and I will sit on any board I can and help facilitate conversations and use my position as an elected official to generate momentum for those things. But the simple fact is that they're separate issues.
The room was divided as multiple people took their turns to share their opinions before county commissioners.
Allowing the voters to vote on it.
Commissioners then responded after public testimony ended and voted 2-1 to place the new jail proposal on the May ballot.
And at the hearing today, there seemed to be a little bit of confusion as to what exactly this jail proposition entails. Be sure to stay with us on Newswatch 12 at 6 o'clock. I'll be explaining what exactly you'll be voting on. Live in Medford, ALICIA RUBIN, Newswatch 12.
At 5 tonight, we're learning about a shooting